channel, Barber Soul Seeker, my second channel, branching off of my original Soul Seeker 360 Wave videos and channel and all that good stuff. Basically, I push not only the wave game, but constantly being independent. Right now, if there's any time, right now is the time for you to start cutting your hair. A lot of people are hurting. You're trying to cut corners, you're trying to save $1. This is the easiest thing to cut. You fathers that have sons, this is it. I got 5 sons. The dollars that I've saved from cutting not only my own hair, but their hair, it's in the thousands. You know, it's just one less thing I have to worry about. Scrapping up a few dollars to go ahead and cut. So, I'm here. You know, if you want to see the stuff I've already given, you can look at my Soul Seeker channel. But here I'm going to be giving all the tutorials, not only cutting your own hair, cutting other people's hairs. That's another way to make money. Not only save money, but make money. And line up, you know, everything you want. Of course, we're not going to be licensed barbers right from the jump, but it's all about training, it's all about practice, it's all about confidence. So, that's what I'm here for. So you can see the stuff I already got. I'm going to be giving new stuff, just helping people out, and answering questions for guys trying to step out. So, if it's any time to start, right now is the time for you to get out, get the confidence, save that 20 bucks, get you $40, get you some good clippers. Start today, and I'm here to help you. So subscribe. Tell your friends, share the videos, hit me up with questions. I'm here. So we'll be getting it in, starting probably next week. I'll have a new tutorial. So hit me up, get it going.